Hello again and welcome to Ginger's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making my version of my grandmother's potato salad. As most of us home cooks do, we fine-tune a recipe and it becomes our version of that recipe. So my version of my grandmother's potato salad recipe. Today I'm going to be making a mini version of this recipe, a bit potato salad for 2 to 4 people. You start by slicing your cooked potatoes. They could be left over from the night before. You want to start with cold ingredients. I usually only use potato and egg in the recipe, but as you'll see, this time as we go on, I decided to add carrots. So we have carrots, potatoes, and then the egg and the dressing is what's in this recipe. So once you get the bowl filled up with your potatoes and carrots, slice the egg. I have an egg slicer, so I put it in 2 different directions, and that pretty much chops the eggs up to just the right size, as you'll see on the video. Now the dressing usually has just mayonnaise and a little bit of pickle juice and seasoning. I have a signature seasoning that I use, and some of the ingredients are onion powder, garlic powder, dill. I use onion powder because I don't care for raw onions, and my grandmother never put, she put large pieces of raw onion because she didn't care for raw onion, and a lot of family members don't. So you mix this up, and you pour it all over, of course, and toss it together. And then once you get that all tossed together, you then slice the eggs. I slice them in an oval shape, and I place them on top. And that looks really nice. And then a lot of times I will shake a little bit of paprika on top just to make it look pretty. If I was taking this to a picnic for a lot of people, I may put some chopped onion and chopped celery in it. But because my family doesn't care for that and I don't care for it, I'm not putting that in today. But certainly you can add that. Here is the finished recipe. I want to thank you for visiting Ginger's Kitchen, and I hope to share more recipes with you in the future.